Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is me Ramsha Sultan, and today I am going to show you guys what all products do I get in my mail. Basically this is a YouTube tag wherein YouTubers show what all products they are getting from different brands, and I would be doing exactly that. But before starting this video, I would like to talk to you guys for a few minutes. I started my YouTube channel approximately 2 years ago, and I started YouTube because I love to be in front of the camera and I had a lot of knowledge which I wanted to share with you guys. But once I joined the YouTube community, I used to watch videos like What's in My Mail, wherein I used to feel that, oh, these YouTubers, they are working so good. So many brands are ready to send their products to them because they trust them. And I used to think when I would reach that point myself. And today I guess I have reached that point. I have a long way to go, but observing all these packages that I have all around me, I'm really happy. After watching this video, I do not want you to feel any kind of jealousy or think that, oh, she gets so many products. I just want to tell you guys that nothing comes for free. I have worked day and night for it. You see the very glamorous part on the screen, but the hard work that goes behind the screen is what I know how I have managed this YouTube along with full-time studies and other works, along with the business that I'm running. And just like when friends get something, they like to share it with their friends. For me, you guys are my friends, and I would like to share it with you guys and feel happy about it. All these products I've got approximately in 1 month, and let's start with the video now. I'm really excited to show you guys, and I'm really thankful to Allah that Alhamdulillah my hard work has finally paid off. I can see the results. So many brands are ready to collaborate with me because they trust my work, they like my work. And with that being said, let's get started with the video. The very first package that I have received is from Plum. You guys know me that I love this brand ever since it was launched, and now I am collaborating with them. So I have got a lot of their products. Oh god, like a lot of their products. The favorite kajal of mine, you know, the sea buckthorn cream, the green tea face pack, the green tea mattifying moisturizer, oh my god, chamomile and white tea face scrub. Like this I've got the entire green tea range and entire chamomile and white tea range, all the face masks, face scrubs, creams, and their newly launched Glow Restore face oil. I love this. I'll be making a video on it soon, and a lot of other products. And guys, whatever products that I would be showing you in this video, I would actually be making videos on them, so don't worry. So yeah, that was the first package. The second package is from Iba Halal. It is one of the first brands that I collaborated with, and I have received their newly launched makeup, their foundation, their compact powder, their kajal, their eyeliner, their BB cream, and a lot of newly launched lipsticks from them. And I have actually created a makeup look using these products. I would be linking the video down in the description box below, so do check it out. The next package is from the brand MyGlamm. It is a newly launched makeup brand in India. So I've received their Chisel It palette, their color fusion lipstick and lip gloss, their nail paints, their beauty blender, and a lot of products inside. So yeah, I've actually created a look using these products as well. Again, the video would be in the description box down below. Next, I received a package from America and it is from the brand Sigma. I was the most excited to receive these products. And it says, Ramsha, welcome to the Sigma family. Enjoy your Sigma goodies. I was really excited. So I have received their Sigma Warm Neutrals eyeshadow palette. Oh my god, it is gorgeous. Have a look. And I have received their blush. It is amazing. And I have received a lot of their brushes. And guys, I have actually used these brushes. I couldn't stop, opening these packages. So I've already opened all of them. So I use these brushes and these are one of the most high quality brushes that I've ever used. They're really good quality. I've also received their eyeliner, gel eyeliner. It's really good as well. So yeah, that was that. Next, I received Sugar Box. Now, I have already made a video on it. This is one of the best subscription boxes and I love to receive it every month. So, if you want to know what I've got inside this Sugar Box, the amazing products, check out the video. Next, I've received a package from Elansa. Basically, they make essential oils and I love essential oils. I have received a lot of their essential oils. Let me show you guys for once. And there are more inside. I guess they are 15 and I have made a video on how to use essential oils in different ways. It's a really informative video. Go check it out. I would love if you watch my hard work videos. Next, I've got a very cute package from Beauty Bar. Basically, this is a liquid gold nourishing beauty oil. This is a face oil which has gold flakes inside. I really liked this product. It is really good for the skin. I will be actually making a video on top 5 or top 10 face oils in India, face serums in India. It will be a really informative video, so keep your eye on that. Next, I've got a humongous package from Wow. I have received a lot of their products, their face masks and a lot of their newly launched face washes and their shampoos, micellar water, the peel off masks, sunscreens, so many products inside. I will be actually making videos on it. I've made a video on a lot of them already. Check out the videos for the honest reviews on these products. Next, I received a package from Baobab Essentials and basically this is a pure baobab oil extracted and sourced directly from Africa. And guys, this oil is so good. I've tried it for few nights and it works wonders for the skin. I will be reviewing it completely in my top face oils video. Next, I've received a package from Plump and it has lots of their products. This is their brightening face scrub, their face pack and their light hydrating facial gel and a lot of face packs. And this product which I actually really love, it is their 24 karat rose gold oil. Oh my god, it smells amazing and I don't know if you can see, but I can clearly see the gold flakes inside. It's such a luxury to be using gold on the face. Love it. Next, I received GloBox. It's another subscription box in India. Really good subscription box. Yep. Next, I received a package from a brand called Juicy Chemistry. This brand makes fresh skincare and hair care products. Their shelf life is a little less compared to other products because they do not use preservatives. I've received their lavender water, their face wash, face pack, and this is their argan rose and camellia seed moisturizer with SPF. I've tried it. Basically, it is a face oil which works as a sunscreen. So you do not need to use any sunscreen because these face oils in it actually work as a sunscreen. How cool is that? And I've also received a very fancy wooden teaspoon. I actually like these kind of things. Next, I've received face serums from the brand Unloc Mixify, and these are very fancy face serums, and I would be again reviewing them in my videos. I've got 2 of them. So yeah, I've got a big package from O3 Professionals, and let me show you guys what I've received inside. All these boxes are falling off. So I have received their plunge range, like their face mask, the face scrub, face spray, face serum, and I've also received their sulfur cooling facial mask, their volcano face scrub, their age lock serum, and also a serum from Plunge, and I've received their sketch marker, liquid liner, and a kajal, which is in my vanity right now. I use it. Next, I've received a package from the brand Blend It Raw. I have received their rose hydrosol. Basically, this is a rose water, and it is one of the most pure rose waters I've ever used. I have their bentonite clay face mask. I have their hemp seed carrier oil, and a lot of products inside this package, which I would be soon reviewing. Next, I've got a package from the brand Glam Aroma Hair and Skincare. I have received their coffee infused eye brightening serum and their pumpkin skin renewal night serum. I have used this, and this serum makes the skin buttery soft. I really like, actually I'm obsessed with face oils and face serums, so I'm really interested in these kinds of products. Next, I've received a perfume from the brand Aroma Perfume. Basically, this brand makes dupes of very high-end and expensive perfumes into very affordable form, and also the speciality is that they make the perfumes in alcohol-free form. So that's really good. Then I've received my Envy box. I actually get a lot of subscription boxes. There were few months wherein I received so many subscription boxes that I had to actually say no from my side, that no, I cannot make so many videos only on subscription boxes, so please. Next, I've received a package from Nykaa. I actually ordered these products. So I actually ordered Kiehl's serums, their moisturizers, and a few of the fragrances, which are actually in my vanity right now, not in this box. So that's all for this video. If I would have waited a little more, I would have received more packages, because a lot of more packages are due to be delivered at my home. But I could not wait to finally film this video. I was really excited, and also because I've been saving on all these cartons. I don't save them, I actually give them for recycling, so that I can save on some space. My father has actually got my balcony converted into my almirah so that I can keep all the products that keep coming to me. These are the packages from 1 or 2 months, that's it. And I keep receiving products, so I have to store them somewhere. And I actually keep sharing it with my cousins and my friends. I keep giving these products and I keep using them, and reviewing it for you guys as well. And I really hope that you like this video. And again, I would like to say that please don't feel intimidated by everything that I receive. Alhamdulillah, it's the blessings of Allah that are being showered upon me. And I really work hard for this, and just because you see a very glamorous side, it's not like that. I have to work day and night for it and manage a lot of things at the same time. But apart from all this, perks of receiving products is really exciting, and I love receiving these products, trying them out, because at the end of the day, that makes us happy. And I really hope that you liked this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. I actually did not make any kind of personal videos on my channel for these 2 years, but now I feel like connecting to you guys a little more, and this is why I'm making more of these personal videos. And if you like these, please comment down below and let me know that you like this personal side of me as well. And yeah, do follow me on Instagram and Facebook, especially Instagram, because I share a lot of things on my Instagram stories, so don't miss out on that. And with that being said, this is me, Ramsha Sultan, signing off.